Koro adhi ane nyaka gwenge mag Kisumu nyaka Ramogi jokanyo mar riwruok mar jopuonj KNUT pod medo tielo wach mar meto mar osara ga atamalo 60. Wach osara en achiel kuom midhiero ma jopuonj osebedo ka ywago kinde ka kinde e kind midhiero mamoko ma oting'o wilo jopuonj aoyaye maonge chenro makare ma iluwo. Jopuonj go lero magi e romo margi ma higa ka higa ka koro gidhialo higa mar 62 madhi nyime e kaunti ma Kisumu. Odani mondo wadhi ane kono mondo wawinj ane kaka weche chalo gi e thuoloni.
Must be fair. If there's a lady who wants to join the water, let her be. But if you are not a member of the water and somebody is deducting your money, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and request that all those issues you are raising, raise them with the Secretary General, so that we get it from the official spokesperson of the Kenya National Union of Teachers. Let us respect the structures of the union so that you speak with one voice, but through your elected representative. So I throw that ball to your National Secretary General. Pick up all those complaints and let us deal in the usual manner. Otherwise, ladies and gentlemen, we thank you for the invitation and we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you. Thank you. Order, ladies and gentlemen. Order. Solidarity. I want to thank Wakili Anwar in a special way. Before I mention one or two from his short and brief remarks, allow me to request all delegates to appreciate: one, TSC has come. Two, he has delivered. And three, it's like he stole our exam. Because what he was addressing, it's like he sat yesterday in the evening to read our NEC report. Can we appreciate him first? Na nilisema kwamba ni makofi ya kilo, sio? Yale makofi ya nyayo. Mnajua Kiswahili si mdomo wangu, lakini huwa nawaambia kwamba kwa mara fulani huwa nyapia maneno machache katika lugha ya Kiswahili ili nipate kueleweka. Tupe makofi ya kilo. 1, 2, 3. Tena. Ngua. Usifunge. Tena. 1, 2, 3. Maliza. Wakili, you've done your best. In my rating, allow me to award you 95%. Because despite the fact that these issues are in the report, you continued addressing them and got answers immediately. It is like you are discussing the report of the NEC being presented by Teacher Service Commission. I want to say here, this union is a union of order. Tunaendelea pole pole tu. And what you heard from members in this conference, that is part of the order. That is part of the order. Sindio, ladies and gentlemen. But not put in the best way, because we should react to one blow by blow, and that shall be in my report. Not in the address of Wakili. So prepare yourselves to repeat. Repeat what you did, but now in a more orderly manner, point after point. Wakili, don't be afraid so much, and imagine that you should have a helmet here.
Ramogi mago gin mano en romo mar riwruok mar jopuonj KNUT madhi nyime Kisumu. Odiechieng' mar ariyo kawuono kama bende